Hello everyone, welcome to MITECH Hub. So today, as you see in my computer screen, today we are going to talk about Claude Opus. This is the powerful nowadays agent which is making different from others. So which is making powerful, which is helping people to make their life productivity. Honestly, so what I'm going to show you today, I'm going to show you how you can get this powerful agent, how you can get access for it for free. So if you look where this Claude Opus 4.6 is the latest version of Anthropic. So it goes out from February 5 February 2026. Now let's see the feature of this Claude Code. When you look where on benchmark, Claude Opus 4.6 is state of the art across a wide range of coding and agentic capabilities. Opus 4.6 demonstrates strong performance across many domains. It achieves industry-leading result with over 65.4% on terminal bench. It is also our best computer using model, reaching over 72.7% on Oswald. So guys, my name is Mugisha Izai. I'm software engineer and I'm CEO of MITECH Hub. So also MITECH Hub is the software agents and also software academy. So now today I'm going to show you how you can get this Opus 4.6 for free. I use it every day and I'm going to show you how you can also get it for free. Now let's see how this agent is ahead of other agents. If you look where for capabilities, you will see that Claude Opus 4.6 is ahead of other agents. So we know that even Gemini 3.1 Pro is powerful. Also ChatGPT 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, it goes out. Also these are powerful, but as you see, this Claude Opus 4.6 is still ahead of this. When you see in everything, Claude Opus is ahead of this agent. As you see in agentic terminal, Claude Opus is ahead of other. Agentic coding, Claude Opus is ahead of other. Agentic computer use, Claude Opus. Even agentic tool use, Claude tool use. Agentic search, multidisciplinary reasoning, agentic financial analysis, office task and novel problem solving, graduate level reasoning, visual reasoning, and even multilingual question and answers. Claude Opus is ahead of other agents. Claude Opus is ahead of other agents. So now guys, let me show you how you can get this powerful agent. Now guys, this way I'm going to show you is specifically for software developers. So if you are software developers or web developer or tech guys, so this video I think is for you. So how to get it? First of all, you will need to have GitHub Copilot Pro. If you have a GitHub Copilot Pro, you will get access of this. Now, I have also created the video that can help you to get GitHub Copilot for free, or you can buy a GitHub Pro for just $10 per month instead of buying Claude Opus 4.6 like over $100 per month. Now let me show you how I do it. So now let me show you how I use it. So now as you see, I have also a GitHub Copilot Pro, and also now I have used over 80% of my premium request for a pro users. So and also to get GitHub Pro, you have to pay only $10 per month, and also you can pay $100 per month and get access for the whole year. So to get GitHub Pro Plus, you will pay $39 per month, or you can pay $390 per year and get access the whole year. Now when you have a Pro feature or a Pro Plus feature, you will get access to Claude Opus 4.6. Let me go into my IDE and show you how to get it. Now as you see, I'm into my IDE, which is VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Now if I come here and also choose Claude, you will see I have a Claude Opus 4.6. So in the cloud, I have the world access to the cloud agent. As you see, I have Claude Ai 4.5, Claude Opus 4.5, Claude Opus 4.6, which is powerful, and Claude Opus 4.6, which is fast mode and preview. But here is the problem, guys. So, as you see, Claude Opus is very, very powerful. For only one chat, message, I will count 30 times toward my premium request quota for my GitHub Pro. You see, if I use free chat, my world premium will be finished. This instant, guys. So for Opus 4.6, I will use every chat I will use will count 3 times, even Claude Opus 4.5. But if I changed here for other models, let me change here to Claude. I can also access the Claude Opus 4.6 Claude. And also what I want to show you is, while other models or other agents like ChatGPT 5.2 will count only 1, even ChatGPT 5.1 which is Codex Max will count only 1. Even if I can change here, let me change here for, let me say for local, where we can get even as you see, for Gemini 3.1 Pro will count only one count. But here for Claude, every single chat will consume over 30 if I use this option. But if I use Claude Opus 4.6 or Claude Opus 4.5, will count only 3. So as you see here, here in my GitHub Copilot, today is Saturday, and we are on 40th of March 2026. You see, even I didn't even reach the half of the month, but my premium request is over 80% of usage. This is insane because I always use Claude Opus, guys. Is really powerful. So to get this Claude Opus for free, you have to buy GitHub Copilot Pro or use student package to get free Copilot Pro, and also get access to all of these agentic models. So guys, I hope guys this video was really helpful for you. Subscribe, like and share to MITECH Hub. Thank you so much.